Jamaica's Reggae Boys are closing out their Nations League campaign with a home game against Guyana in Montego Bay. And of course, it's a game of academic importance for Jamaica, having already won the group by a distance. I want to say this though, win, lose or draw tonight, Theodore Tapper Whitmore is not getting the respect he deserves as a national coach in cash or kind. And this is not about beating up the little teams in the Nations League B. We're talking about the overall and overtime, including right now. If it was a foreign coach that took Jamaica from 70-odd to 40-odd on the FIFA rankings, we would name him honorary national hero and take out an additional IMF loan to pay. And the next thing people holding against Tapper is that the Jamaica team not playing with any pattern and style. But question, what pattern and style World Cup semi-finalists England play? What about World Cup finalists Croatia? What pattern and style Croatia play? And what about world champions France? What pattern France play? The point is, the pattern and style a team play depend on the players at the coach's disposal. At the end of the day, it's all about getting the results. Yes. And by the way, what is score? What is score, Don Amobi? What is score? Hold on. Yes, what is score against Guyana? Yeah, somebody has tell me score. Yes, what is score against Guyana? Eh? What? 125 for 3? A football net,